This is really William's project. He brought me on to help with some of the technical side of doing, high power installation. And we went over to Malawi and spent 3 weeks getting this all set up. The secondary school that he actually had to drop out of, it's in the Wimby district, it's Kachikolo Secondary, and it's really remote. And so they don't have access to the grid power. And so his idea was to solarize the school, get power to it, and that by doing so, first they'd have lighting so that the students could study at night. What's more, they would actually be able to start offering adult literacy classes in the school at night. What's really cool about Moving Windmills is that this is William's thing. Like he grew up there, he knows everything there is to know about Malawi, the people, his family's all there. And so when he decides he wants to make something happen, it's actually the appropriate solution to a real problem, and it's actually going to work out in the long term and be a sustainable thing. I tried to sort of get specs on, like how big the buildings are, what exposure the rooftops have, whether we're going to need to make a bracket to mount the panels, or whether we can do straight roof mounting. Then you actually get to Malawi and it's, all right, well, these are the only batteries we can get. These are the only panels we can get. So there was some preparation, but mostly just counting on the fact that William knew everyone, William knew the language, and we just make things work that way. This project is really a question of what will be the most beneficial thing for this community, and how can we just simply make it happen. And sort of that was what influenced the way we did everything, as opposed to the hardcore technical side of things, and sort of realizing that the human factors swamp everything else in this case. I got a lot out of this experience, but sort of the most resounding things that I learned was just the experience of living in really rural Africa for 3 weeks. Actually getting to live that life for a little while and sort of have that experience really helped me be able to connect with what life is really like and what people are really like and what's really going on. There's no other way to get that.